Are you looking for the best knee pads in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best knee pads that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Vastar Professional Heavy Duty Padded Foam Cushion Knee Pads. Install your concrete, carpet, floor, tile, and brick accurately and neatly no matter how rough your floor is, using Vastar Professional Knee Pads. First, it features a thick gel pad lining and foam filling layer to protect your knees against scratches and cuts. Equally important, it features a considerate design that features breathable neoprene, reinforced stitching to eliminate odor. Besides, it comes with a soft and cozy inner contact surface that features durable fabric for ease and pain reduction while working. Moreover, Vastar avails both an indoor and outdoor knee pads that feature a waterproof and non-slip design for tear and dirt resistance. Also, it is easy and quick to dry and clean. Equally important, it features widened shoulder straps that ensure maximum blood circulation in your legs. Furthermore, it features an adjustable degree of tightness straps that ensures it remains stable and in place. Besides, it comes with an elastic band for fixing extra straps. The knee pads feature a strong polyester mesh pull bag for safe and easy storage of the pads. At number 4, Vuino Heavy Duty EVA Foam Padding Knee Pads. It is terrible to spend more hours kneeling in your garden without knee protection. Vuino avails a perfect knee pad for working on hardwood floors, flooring, welding, gardening, tiling, construction work, and welding. Coupled with that, it features a heavy-duty non-slip shield that protects your knee against scrapes and cuts on different terrains. Likewise, it features a soft gel core that comes with durable EVA padding foam cushion for a comfortable feel while working. Similarly, it comes hinged knee pads design that helps keep your knees stable and firm. Furthermore, it comes with an 18 cm Velcro strap for a special size. The knee pads come with an extra hook and loop tapes to perfectly fit on various leg sizes. Besides, it comes with a drawstring carry bag for easy and safe storage when not in use. The knee pads come with double-stitched straps to prevent tear and wear. Equally important, the breathable neoprene helps eliminate bad odor. It is easy to clean, and you only need to use lukewarm water and store it in a dry place. At number 3, Amazon Basics 6-Pair Professional Gel Cushion Knee Pads. Prevents and protects your knees from scratches and fatigue while working on any terrain using Amazon Basics outdoor and indoor knee pads. It is a perfect tool for construction works, gardening, and floor installation. Furthermore, it features a hard-shell PVC exterior that protects clothing and knee against debris, moisture, dirt, and temperature. Likewise, it comes with supportive gel interior pads for maximum comfort and minimal impact on your back, knees, and legs. Equally important, it features fully adjustable straps that quickly tightens and loosens to custom-fit various body type and leg sizes. Similarly, it features nylon woven with self-locking straps closure for increased durability and allows your pads are in place. Coupled with that, it comes with a thick supportive gel cushion that will enable you to complete your job comfortably. The knee pads come with extra tough PVC shell to withstand harsh work environment and protect the user against injury and discomfort. At number 2, Gform Pro X2 in -1 pair knee pad. Likewise, Gform features versatile knee pads with a considerate design for maximum functionality. It features an advanced material composition to harden on impact and disperse its energy. Equally important, it features SmartFlex technology that provides protective pads with hinge-like flexibility for uninhibited mobility freedom. Besides, it features a lightweight design that feels like your own skin, thus easy mobility. The knee pad comes with body-mapped SmartFlex pads for maximum impact protection. Moreover, the knee pads come with moisture-wicking UPF 50+ compression fabric that provides a comfortable feel while working. Coupled with that, it features a two-panel design that provides a second skin-perfect fit. Similarly, it comes with front pad ventilation holes for increased air circulation. Also, the knee pads feature a compression sleeve that comes with silicone grippers to ensure your pads in place while working. Along with that, the waterproof SmartFlex technology prevents water and perspiration. At number 1, Besker Pro Flooring Foam Padding Knee Pads for Work. Similarly, Besker delivers heavy-duty and durable knee pads for effective and comfortable kneeling while working. Likewise, it comes with double flexible straps and simple release slip clips designed to ensure the knee pads stay in place throughout the day. Also, it comes with release slip buckle clips make it easy to put on and take off your pads. Along with that, the Knee Pads for Work features a high-density and soft gel foam padding for maximum and ergonomic support. Additionally, the breathable polyester mesh webbing ensures a comfortable and cool feeling every time. The Knee Pads for Work comes high-quality, soft foam padding and anti-skid leather for added protection and support even on slippery and hard floors. Besides, the improved double neoprene straps provide the largest fitting range. Moreover, it comes with an enhanced loop and hook attachments for a secure fit. Equally important, it features a heavyweight nylon thread that ensures long-term durability. Similarly, it has a breathable 600D polyester mesh for all-day comfort. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.